Let PS denote the power set of set S. Which of the following is always true? So let set S is equal to 1, 2, 3. Now power set of S will be set of all subset of S, that is phi 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 1 and 1, 2, 3. See, phi and a set itself is a trivial. They are trivial subset. So as we see that power set of set S contains total 8 elements. Since S contains 3 elements, so power set of S will contain 2 की power 3 element. Since power set of S will have 2 की power 3, that is 8 element, then power of power set of S, that is power of power set of S. See, power set of S will contain 8 element, then power of power set of S will contain 2 की power 8 element, that is 256 elements. That is P of PS will contain 256 elements and this contain 8 elements, so it can never be equal. So option A is wrong. Now I will see option B. See, try to evaluate power of power set of S. If you will calculate, we will start with empty set, that is phi. Again capture first element, capture second element, third element, fourth element, fifth element. This is the eighth element, and so on, so on, so on. There are so many, as much as 256 elements will be written, which will be very much. So if you see, PS also contain phi and P of PS also contain phi. So common element between both P of S intersection P of S will be phi. Actually this is set of element is 1, 2, 3. P of PS is what? Set of set. This is set of set. This is itself a set 1 and this is another set. 2 is itself a set and this is another set. That is the difference between both. So option B is